hopefully most of you remember that little rhythm composition from class. I think all the classes played it at least a couple of times. Let's remind ourselves of the little rhyme that's going to help us play the rhythms. Okay, so I'll say it through and then we'll break it down. So it's east side, west side, take it to the seaside, jump into the ocean, boom, boom, boom. East side, west side, take it to the seaside, jump into the ocean, boom, boom, boom. Okay, now I'll say a line and then you repeat it back. East side, west side, take it to the seaside, jump into the ocean, boom, boom, boom. Okay, so you need to practice that a couple times so you have it memorized. A little bit different than what we did in class. We're going to add a slight change to the ending the second time through. So the first time through, it's the same. East side, west side, take it to the seaside, jump into the ocean, boom, boom, boom. Then we repeat. East side, west side, take it to the seaside, jump, rest, rest, boom, boom. Okay? Take it to the seaside, jump, rest, rest, boom, boom. All right, so let's just try that second part. And you can just follow along with me. Ready, go. East side, west side, take it to the seaside, jump, rest, rest, boom, boom. East side, west side, take it to the seaside, jump, rest, rest, boom, boom. Okay? So the first time we go through it, you do it with the ending we're more familiar with, and then you repeat it, and we change the ending and add that jump, rest, rest, boom, boom. Okay. Let's do the whole thing. So with the two parts. 1, 2, you and me. East side, west side, take it to the seaside, jump into the ocean, boom, boom, boom. Second time, east side, west side, take it to the seaside, jump, rest, rest, boom, boom. Great. All right, practice that till you got it. Come back and we'll put it on the instruments. So for this, you're going to use your drum if it's still kicking around and you haven't broken it yet or lost it or thrown it in the recycling. Or like before, if you don't have a drum, you can play on the table or a pot or a pan. Right? And we're going to use the ends of our fingers on the edge of whatever we're playing on the rim. Okay? All right. So we're going to start with, there's 3 parts to this. We're going to start with the lead part, which is the rhythm of the words from the rhyme. You're going to place your right hand, your dominant hand. If you're right-handed, if you're left-handed, you're going to use your other hand. You're going to put it in the middle because we're going to start with some bass tones. And your other hand is going to be on the rim. And these are going to alternate. So we go bass tones, east, then the rim, then the bass, then the rim. So that's east side, west side. Okay, let's just try that much. I'll do it, you copy me. So you have your hand in the middle, other hand on the rim, and you're leading with that middle hand, the bass hand. 3, 4 is east side, west side. Your turn, here you go. East side, west side. Good. Now that middle hand is going to come back to start the take it to the pattern, take it to the seaside on the rim. So we have take it to the seaside. So just alternating. Ready? Starting with that hand that was in the middle. With me, take it to the seaside. Again, ready, and take it to the seaside. All right, let's put the 2 parts together. So hand back in the middle, your bass tone back in the middle. And just remember that after east side, west side, it has to come back to start take it to the on the rim. 1, 2, you and me. East side, west side, take it to the seaside. side. Again. 3, 4. East side, west side. Bring it back. Take it to the seaside. Now we're just going to stay here for a jump into the ocean, and that same starting hand that was in the middle is going to start that pattern on the rim. Jump into the ocean. Okay, with me. Ready, and jump into the ocean. Again, here we go. Now, jump into the ocean. All right, let's put all those parts together. So remember, starting in the middle, when you come to take it to the seaside, you just stay right there and keep going. Jump into the ocean. All right. 1, 2, from the top. East side, west side, bring it back. Take it to the seaside. Stay there, jump into the ocean. Now for boom, 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 we're going to bring that hand back into the middle. Boom, boom, boom. Okay? And it stays there because when we repeat the pattern, we start in the middle again. Okay? So let's do take it to the seaside, jump into the ocean. Boom, boom, boom. And then we'll start again. East side. Okay? So both hands on the rim. We're going to start at take it to the seaside. 3, 4. Take it to the seaside. Stay there. Jump into the ocean. Bring that hand in. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's do that again. Take it to the 1, 2, here we go. Take it to the seaside. Jump into the ocean. Bring it in. Boom, boom, boom. Start again with east side, west side. Take it to the seaside. Jump, rest, rest. Boom, boom with the bass tone. Okay? All right, now I'm going to just play through both parts a couple of times, nice and slow, so that you can practice along, okay? This is from the top. Bass hand in the middle, other hand on the rim. Alternating. 3, 4. East side, west side. Bring it back. Take it to the seaside. Jump into the ocean. Boom, boom, boom. Repeat. East side, west side. Take it to the seaside. Jump, rest, rest, boom, boom. Repeat. First time. East side, west side. Take it to the seaside. Jump into the ocean. Boom, boom, boom. Repeat. East side, west side. Take it to the seaside. Jump, rest, rest. Boom, boom. Okay, practice that. You're going to do the very same thing, only a little bit faster. Okay, it makes a little bit more sense when it's the tempo is slightly faster. So if you can get up to this, then you're doing great. 1, 2, 3, 4. East side, west side. Take it to the seaside. Jump into the ocean. Boom, boom, boom. Second time. East side, west side. Take it to the seaside. Jump, rest, rest. Boom, boom. Repeat. East side, west side. Take it to the seaside. Jump into the ocean. Boom, boom, boom. East side, west side. Take it to the seaside. Jump, rest, rest. All right, that's part 1. That's the tricky one. Give it a little bit of effort, and I know you'll get it. All right, so these parts are a little bit simpler, I think. This is the bass drum part. So all the notes you play are going to be in the middle with your bass hand, with one hand. And all you're playing is ta, quarter notes at the beginning. You can say the rhyme, but just don't play the words of the rhyme. Just keep a steady beat. This is what I mean. So you've got east side, west side, take it to the seaside, jump into the ocean. Now when you get to the boom, boom, boom part, you're going to play those words. So then ending with boom, boom, boom. So at the beginning, just like if you were saying the rhyme and keeping a steady beat on your knees, east side, west side, take it to the C side. You're going to do the same thing but on the drum. And when you get to boom, 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 just play boom, 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 play the words. Okay? And then we'll look at this the second time through the ending that's slightly different. Okay, so do it with me. Here we go. Steady beat. 1, 2, here we go. East side, west side, take it to the seaside, jump into the ocean, boom, boom, boom. Okay? Now the second part, you're doing the same thing. You're keeping a steady beat. East side, west side, take it to the seaside. And now this rhythm matches the part we just did. Take it to the seaside. It's jump, rest, rest, boom, boom. So steady beat while you say the rhyme, and then jump, rest, rest, boom, boom, just like before. Okay, let's try the second part together. I'll do it a couple times and you follow along. Ready, steady beat, go. East side, west side, take it to the seaside. Jump, rest, rest, boom, boom. Again, east side, west side, take it to the seaside. Jump, rest, rest, boom, boom. Okay, now let's put both parts together. 1, 2, steady beat. East side, west side, take it to the seaside. Jump into the ocean, boom, boom, boom. Repeat. East side, west side, take it to the seaside. Jump, rest, rest, boom, boom. East side, west side, take it to the seaside. Jump into the ocean, boom, boom, boom. Second time. East side, west side, take it to the seaside. Jump, rest, rest, boom, boom. All right, that's the bass drum part. Practice it. And on to the last part. All right, now the last part is the cowbell part. Now remember, you can use anything that makes a sort of pingy sound, just like you did in the previous activities where we had a cowbell. So for this part, it's like the bass drum part. You can say the rhyme, but instead of just doing ta, you're going to go twice as fast and keep TT. So it'll sound like this, okay? East side, west side, take it to the seaside. Jump into the ocean, boom, boom, boom. East side, west side, take it to the seaside. And then on jump, I stop, just like in the other patterns. Jump, rest, rest, boom, boom. Okay? So instead of this slow, steady beat, it's like keeping the beat, but twice as fast. East side, west side. Okay? And it matches the rhyme a little better, except for the part where take it to the. But it's east side, west side. Not take it to the. Take it to the seaside. Jump into the ocean. Boom, boom, boom. Repeat. East side, west side. Take it to the seaside. Stop on jump. Rest, rest. Boom, boom. Okay? Try it with me. 1, 2, here we go. And east side, west side, take it to the seaside. Jump into the ocean, boom, boom, boom. Second part, east side, west side, take it to the seaside. Jump, rest, rest, boom, boom. Repeat, east side, west side, take it to the seaside. Jump into the ocean, boom, boom, boom. Second part, east side, west side, take it to the seaside. Stop, rest, rest, boom, boom. Okay, practice that. If you've practiced that and you've got that part, you've got all the parts. And this last section of the video is for those of you who would like to practice and record and send me the parts, and I'll do some more drum mixes, and hopefully this time I can put different players together. So if you want to, stay tuned to the last part. I know this is a long video, and if you're still with me, I appreciate you. Okay. So this part of the activity is for those of you who would like to practice those parts and record yourself playing along with me. Okay, so just like last time, you're going to put your headphones in, listen to me play, and match your playing to mine while you record just your sound with either your computer or with somebody recording you with a different device like a phone or a tablet. Now, just a little tip, something I learned from last time. Although I always encouraged you to say the words when you're playing, and I encourage you to do that now when you're practicing, but when you go to take your video, the one you're going to send me, your best version, see if you can just say the words in your head or while you listen to me say them. That way your words won't be on your recording, and it will make for a better final product if we don't have everybody saying the rhymes but we just hear the instruments. Okay, so when I play, I'm going to say the words so that you can listen along, and I'm going to put on a metronome to keep a steady beat, and you play along with me with your headphones and say the words in your head. Okay, so here I go. 1, 2, here we go now. East side, west side, take it to the seaside, jump into the ocean. Boom, boom. East side, west side, take it to the seaside, stop, rest, rest. Boom, boom. Repeat. East side, west side, take it to the seaside, jump into the ocean. Boom, boom. Second time. East side, west side, take it to the seaside, jump, rest, rest. Boom, boom. Okay, here's the bass drum part. 1, 2, here we go now. East side, west side, take it to the seaside, jump into the ocean. Boom, boom, boom. East side, west side, take it to the seaside, jump, rest, rest. Boom, boom. Repeat. East side, west side, take it to the seaside, jump into the ocean. Boom, boom, boom. East side, west side, take it to the seaside, jump, rest, rest. Boom, boom. 1, 2, it's T, 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 T. East side, west side, take it to the seaside, jump into the ocean. Boom, boom, boom. Second part. East side, west side, take it to the seaside, jump, rest, rest. Boom, boom. Repeat. East side, west side, take it to the seaside, jump into the ocean. Boom, boom, boom. East side, west side, take it to the seaside, jump, rest, rest. Boom, boom. Okay, gang, well, that's it. I know that was a long one, so thanks for sticking in there. Make sure that you practice those parts and work on the skills that are in the video. If you choose to do the recording at the end, then I appreciate that. You don't have to do all 3 of them. If one of them's too hard or it's not coming out right, that's fine. Just send me what you've got. But thank you for going that extra mile and doing that extra little bit. I really appreciate it, and I'll get those videos back to you. I hope you enjoy them when I do them. Okay, bye guys.